Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool don't run out, I'll be giving it my best. It's nothing's gonna stop it but divine invention. I reckon it to get my turn to win some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Do 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 do. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans that then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment people dance and sing. We just one big family, and it's our God for second life to be the loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Won't you come and scoot your lover closer, dear? And I will never you're yours. Zoot the bum 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 bum. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending up my back just to try to see it clearer. But my breath woke up the glass, and so I'm drew on your face in LA. I guess what I'm been is and a better reason to lead yourself up and at least go with the seasons is what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up the plan to them you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Ba-bum, ba-bum, baby.